Hey guys! Da-na-na-na-na. Well, today, trying to do something new. Well, I'm gonna cook. And this one, for the ingredients that I need, it's our broccoli. See these little broccoli? Why not? I need a carrot, and I need some. How can I say this? Meat of hamburgers. Like we're making little Big Mac. To buy something like here, little Big Macs, something. You know. It's just kind of add in. Yeah. Okay, you guys can understand me. I use this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Something like to scratch. No, right here. Yeah. Something to scratch the broccoli and to put inside here. Then I use the carrots. The same thing. Just So for me that's the only thing I need. Something to cook on it. And I don't know. Continuing more things. What I need, just kind of the things I need. And yeah, just gonna make like a little thing. One touch time, So now, well, I finish. Can you see? I don't know if you see. Can you hear that? Yeah. Now, gonna connect the thing. I'm going to, well, I don't know, just gonna do this now. And let's see. Well, the ingredients were just like carrots and broccoli, and with the meat and some like salt. I'm not sure we have pepper, cause that's like the good one. This is pepino, pepper, ¿verdad? Uy, es verdad. Huh. Now gonna add pepper. I'm not gonna pour it in. I'm just gonna pour it over here. This like green plate, and just gonna make a little ball now. It's like a kind of like a handful, Just like mix it up like that. Make sure each side is like a circle first of all. Then you go like that. in there. It's kind of good. Yeah, you know. I'm gonna add the pepper in. See it? And just gonna add pepper for much faster, you know. And probably let me just do this thing montage fast and go. Oh, tengo pelo. Go. Fuck. Try to. And there, just make this.
Menos carne.
¿Sí era? ¿Así? Yeah.
La mezcla y ya lo...
Ahorita. Now, get these little patties. We just cook it up now. Hold up. Now, we cook it up. And my mom's gonna help me. El teléfono que está ahí. Well, she's gonna help me record and everything, like proofs and everything, yeah. And there she goes. No cerca mi cara. No, don't put that much. If I put too much, look what I did right here. No, acá. Look what I did here. Yeah. Ya ves, enseña acá. Acá arriba. Nice and neatly. Put it down here. Spatula to flip it around, you know. Now let me flip it. One, two, three. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, se quemó un poquito. Oh. No puedo con mis dedos. Ya, mira. ¿Ves? Sí. Ya. Ta-da! There you go, guys. 3, 6, 9, 12. For that 12 little chicken Maggie. What? For all of those, for this big ass bun, into that one, into these little breads here. So there. Well, not done yet. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. And we forgot one thing. Of course, lettuce. Lettuce. Why not? And cause I forgot to buy ketchup. And I don't want to. Just gonna get 3 plates. Then 3 plates. Get just one of these things. So there. Get one of these. Get one. It's one. Oh, if you're wondering, one is mine, my sister's, and my mom. My brother, yeah, he's not here. Not my fault. So, look at that bread. So clean and sexy. So now, why not lettuce? I don't know where to get it from. Cause of mine, I'll put more lettuce cause I fucking love it. So good. Put it just look at that shit. Love it. So there. Probably save this for later on. Save this too, And shout out to my mom. She helped me record and get things to cook. Well, to get things to cook and everything. Okay, and I will. What? Oh yeah, I was about to say I'll put her channel down in the description down below. Give her support, and if you subscribe, if you do, because I have 9 subscribers. If only 5 people subscribe to her, I will give you one. Well, yeah. Oh, the only 5 people to subscribe her, and I'll give you one of these. And I'll give you one of these. I'll give you one of these. One of these. One of these. One of these. And see you guys later on. Bye bye.
Does it have ketchup? Mayonnaise?
No, there's no ketchup.
You don't record on that. You record this.
Shh. Go.
Okay.
Try it out. My sister's gonna try it out. Oh, look at that. Oh. Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at that juicy shit. It's not shit, but okay.
Are you really good?
That's what she said.
I really. Wait, no. I took my eyelashes, so ignore that.
Go subscribe her. Shout out to this one. Okay, shout out to my sister. I'll put a description down below. And yeah.
Bye-bye.
Keep on eating.
Okay.